I'm gonna get you. Okay, I have to tell you a story. What is it? Okay. But you see this, right? So, I don't order from Amazon. So obviously somebody got something from my wish list. We're not going to talk about it right now. I'll talk about it later. But anyway, normally the doorbell doesn't ring because I don't have people over. And if people are coming over, they let me know first so that I'm expecting the doorbell to ring. So the doorbell rang and I went into a full-blown panic. Like I was telling my kid to stay upstairs and hide. Like I was panicking is the point. And it was all for this. I feel like I've tried to send this message like 8 times. Oh my gosh. I get it. That's why I questioned as to why it even crossed my mind. And I don't know. I have a package. I'm so confused right now. Oh God. So, as you may or may not have realized in the last video, I have a box. A box that I have not opened yet. I've been carrying it around my house for the past, I don't know, maybe hour or so. My friend tried to tell me that I needed to open the box because the box itself is not the present. The present is inside the box. How wrong, like just how wrong you are. The box is the present. I agree. Boxes are awesome. Also, the way I read that out loud the first time I read it was ridiculous. I'm losing it. I don't know. I feel like the box is my child now, and I must protect him. And he can't get broken. That's my new baby. I can't break the baby. It's baby. None of that was words. I've honestly been looking at myself for so long in this filter that I forgot completely what I was about to say. But I really want cookies and also chicken.